DJs and producers, are you struggling with what's put on Instagram Reels? Maybe you've joined our Instagram Reels challenge, but you're struggling with what content to make. In this video, I look at a load of content ideas and strategies to help you level up your Instagram in 2022. Hey, I'm Graham Farmer, founder of online music magazine Data Transmission and also Twitch partner. And I stream on Twitch on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Come and join me on there, it's great fun. On this channel, I give you, the DJ producer, the tools to help you navigate social media, Spotify, getting more music signed, music marketing, and a whole host more. So if you struggle in those areas, consider subscribing so you get notified every time I drop a video. I've helped DJs and producers go from their bedrooms to touring artists to help them fulfill their dreams and create careers in electronic music. From coaching DJs and creating content for Data Transmission, I spend a whole load of time each week studying and making content for artists that works. Today, I want to chat about Instagram Reels, and I've got 5 tips for content ideas for you as DJs and producers. And stick around to the end because there's actually a couple of bonuses as well. So for those of you who don't know, Instagram Reels is one of the biggest growth platforms for DJs and producers on social media right now. Have you seen our Instagram Reels challenge? Are you part of it? Have you joined it already? If not, I'll put a link below to watch that video. Check it out and join the challenge. Loads and loads of DJs and producers have already joined and they are leveling up their Instagram and their social media in the last month. We've already seen small artists and DJs really leveling up their social media by joining the challenge and by creating Instagram Reels because of the way the algorithm works. They've been getting so many more interactions compared to the size of their accounts. Loads of them are getting more views and also more followers. They're also hitting a much bigger audience. Ask yourself, when was the last time that happened on Instagram? If you think about standard videos and pictures and how much reach you're getting on those, I bet it's a smaller percentage than your followers. Reels is one of the main focuses for Instagram, and you can tell this if you go to the app right now, and where is the Reels button? You'll notice it's right by where your thumb is, which means they want you to use it. It's also got its own algorithm pushing out the videos and helping those videos get further, more views, more reach. A report a while back said that if you're not putting out one reel a week, you're actually harming the reach of your other content on your Instagram. A lot of you will think making Instagram Reels is about doing dance videos. And there are a lot of dance videos on there and a lot of dances on there, but it's not about that anymore. There is a way to leverage dance videos, and I will speak about this at the end of the video. It's a really great way to build new fans. But also, you should still be doing the other content, videos, pictures, because it's good to have a mix of content on your Instagram. The algorithm likes it that way. So let's jump into my top 5. Firstly, track breakdowns. This is where you will have your new release or your new track, and you'll literally step through the parts of the tracks, the bass, the kick, the hi-hats, maybe a cool synth where the vocal comes in. You can do this quite simply, just film the screen when they come in. The good thing about Instagram Reels is you don't have to film all in one section. You can film, stop, film, stop, film, stop. And by making these small little videos, it makes up the whole reel. One thing I will say is you want to make reels between 15 and 30 seconds. Don't go the full length. What you want is people to watch them and watch them again. So try and make them short and concise. You can also go super creative with this, as with everything. You can pan in and out. You can maybe, if you're using hardware, you could get everything flashing and looking cool. I know some artists that do this. They kind of pan around the studio and kind of weave in and out of the machines as they're making all the sounds. This looks pretty cool. It's going to look cool on screen. But don't let that stop you. Just get started. Make something basic. Level it up each time. 1% better each time. As I said, if you are brand new, just focus on recording the track. Make it look cool. Make it fit in the portrait space that is Instagram Reels, so it fills the screen. And then maybe at the end, use a website called Clipper. It allows you to basically download Beatport and track source links and turn them into videos to put the full track. Or if you've been given an artwork from the label, put the full track at the end. So it plays the kind of steps through and then it jumps into the full track. This is a cool thing to watch. And I really enjoy watching them. And I know other producers watch them to see what's been happening with that track. One thing I will say is make sure you put annotations on the screen to tell people what's happening. People like to read and listen at the same time. And then at the end of the reel, put a caption, i.e. to listen to the full track or to buy the full track, go to my link in bio or go to Beatport, put a call to action at the end of that reel. Number 2 is cut out clips from live streams. Maybe you're streaming regularly, or maybe you just started streaming in 2022 and this is your new goal for this year. Make sure you are saving the full video stream to your computer, and then use iMovie Premiere to chop out a space that is the portrait space that fits the full width height of the phone. Don't put landscape videos on Instagram Reels. They just look a bit rubbish. Also, if you've got loads of branding all over your DJ stream, again, it doesn't look as great. So try and have a section in the middle of the stream. If you've got logos and branding put them to the side, have a section in the middle of the stream that you can chop out while you're DJing that will fit the reels and fit the space. This might mean you might think about this before you start streaming. What is it going to look like? How is it going to cut down to those sizes? How is it going to cut down to square before I start streaming? Set the space up, set the borders up, so that you know you've got those ability to make those pieces of content afterwards. Again, think about the call for action. Follow me for more information about my stream. Follow me because I'm streaming regularly on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Number 3, getting clips from actual gigs. Now that gigs are back opening, clubs are back opening, make sure you're filming yourself playing records. Make sure you're playing out. This could be a tough one. You might be actually DJing to no one, but I'm actually quite cool with it. I've been thinking about this loads. You just need to consider the narrative of that video. It could be music you don't normally play, but you're getting to play it because you're playing a warm-up. It could be because you're just grateful that you've got a gig, that someone's booked you. Grateful to be playing to no one, but really enjoying this time. It doesn't harm you in any way. It shows your journey. And what you might find is people come on this journey with you because they'll be there. They can say, I was there and I saw this video when he was playing to no one. It was really warming to me. We've all been there. And I went on this journey with him because I saw him right at the start of his career playing to no one. You also have a great throwback video when you're playing to thousands. Remember when I played to no one? Remember when I was playing to the cleaner? Or if the cleaners are dancing, remember when I was playing to the cleaners dancing? Remember when I was playing to one person dancing in the club? Who was that person? You know? You can then do those transitions, playing to no one, playing to thousands. It's going to be a great piece of content down the line. But you have to film that piece of content to have it down the line. So own it. Own playing to no one. Playing warm-up is a great experience and it's great for everyone. Tell us the records you're playing the warm-up. If you're playing to loads of people, brilliant. Make sure you film it. Those of you who are playing to lots of people, hundreds, thousands, make sure you're filming it. Use your +1, the person that's coming with you, that's been giving you as a guest list. Get them to film it. Don't let them get too drunk. Make sure they're right. This is why you're coming. I need you to film me. I need you to listen to when you hear this track, pre-prime it. When you hear this track, or when I give you the nudge, I need you to film this video, and I need it in both portrait and landscape. Have both media. Make them work for that +1. They're getting into the club for free, and they're getting free entry, and probably getting some of your rider for free. Make them film you on your phone, and get that piece of content. Again, tell them what you're looking for. You're looking for crowds going off, it being lively, big reactions, tracks dropping, or it could be just you're playing your new track and you want that moment of that track being played. It's really important to get that video for future gigs and for future growth. Capture everything you're doing. It makes it much easier to grow. Number 4 is capturing your work in progress in the studio. There's been a great thing that's been happening this week. I've been watching an artist called Fleur Shaw. She has been making a track a day and putting up an Instagram reel every day of what do you think of this track? I made this today. And it's literally her with a camera and they're sat in her studio, dancing in her studio to the track she's made. It's getting so much reach because the algorithm is pushing that video to loads of people. It's getting people commenting, what's this? You should sign it to this track, or I love this, or I don't like that, and you're getting that raw, instant feedback of people like your music. It's also making content for your social media, and all you're doing is saying, this is what I've made today. People might all pan it and hate it, but that's good. That's raw feedback. It's raw and it's honest, and you've just got to be brave. Set the camera up. If you haven't got a tripod, just set the camera up on some books, press play, walk in shot, play the track, play it, stop it, walk out of shot, stop. You can edit out that bit at the start and then just have the meat of the video for your reel. If you have a tripod, great, but books work just simply. Number 5 is using Instagram Reels to announce stuff. Remember, it's got massive reach and Instagram loves seeing your face. So use it to announce your radio shows, your podcasts, gigs. Maybe you arrive at a gig and you say, I'm here, and then you step through the gig. It's like arriving, sound check, get into the party, starting playing the gig, it going off, leaving. And that's one reel of the 24 hours of that gig, and that becomes a piece of content. Maybe it's pre, hey, I'm really excited. I've got the best gig of my life. I've just been asked to play at blah, blah, Elro, Ministry Sound, Fabric, wherever. I've just been excited to play there. I thought I'd tell you, tickets go on sale soon. Instagram likes seeing your face. It's going to give you more reach. Your fans like seeing your face and hearing you speak and seeing you and learning more about you. You could be announcing, like I said, a new podcast or radio show. Hey, my new podcast's out. Click in my link in bio to go and listen to it. Hey, my new podcast's out. It features these 5 tracks. Or, hey, here's my new podcast. Here's 3 tracks from it. If you're into this, the link's in my bio. Play the 3 tracks. Okay, finally, the bonus. Let's talk about dance videos. They do work, and they are great. They work across the platform. Dancers, skaters, they work really well. And it doesn't have to be you that's doing it. There's already a ton of those videos already online. So as a bonus, I use the Repost Plus app. I find a cool dance video that's got loads of numbers on it, loads of reach on it already. You know it's already interacting and know people are into it already, so it's got reach. If you have a release, this is perfect. Download that video using Repost Plus. It's on your phone. Upload it to Instagram Reels. Then from the music option on Instagram Reels, find your track and add it. Make it kind of sink in, post it. Make sure you tag the original creator. This is my new track, or check out my new track, or something, a motive. You want to ask questions in the captions as well. And then you've used the dance video, but you haven't had to do the dance. Do you need some more help with getting more gigs and also creating more content for social media? Well, you can book a call now to join me on my course, The Artist Blueprint. The course covers getting more music signed, social media growth, music marketing, and getting more gigs. If you have found this video useful, please give it a like, give it a share, tell other DJs about it, and let me know in the comments what you found valuable. YouTube is now going to recommend you the next video you should watch. Go and check that one out because it's going to help you on your journey as a DJ producer. And I will see you in the next video or on my Twitch streams. I'll see you there. Thanks.